Today I'm going to show you how to create professional looking sidebars in DaVinci Resolve using this one simple trick. And yeah, I actually turned this entire workflow into a drag and drop preset for you, but more on that later. First, we need to fix the big problem with most sidebars. Normally, building a sidebar from scratch involves keyframing the sidebar and the background separately. It feels janky, it's frustrating, and it ends up looking amateur. I'm going to show you a simple fusion trick to do this the professional way and get it perfect every single time. Let's go. Let's grab a fusion comp, drag it on top of your clip. I just have a normal image here, but that's fine. Then let's hop into the fusion page. Add a merge node and connect it to the media out. Let's call this merge node background. So F2 on your keyboard, I'm not sure on a Mac, or you can just right click and select rename. And let's call this background. And then we're gonna add another merge node on top of this background merge. And let's call this merge sidebar. And okay. On top of the sidebar merge, we're gonna add a background node and then connect it to the sidebar. Select this background node and turn the alpha all the way down. Now we wanna add a transform node to this background node. Open your select tool, search for transform. We don't want to add it there. Connect it to the background node. So connect the transform node to the background node. Open your select tool, search for media in, add that in, connect the media in to the transform node. Selecting the media in, go to media source, the drop down, and change this to background. Now the clip that's underneath your fusion comp should show in the viewer. Now we're going to add another background node and then connect this to the sidebar merge. So this background node is our actual sidebar. Selecting the sidebar merge, if you change the center, you should see the sidebar coming up from the side, but it's not. Selecting the background merge, change the operator from over to under. Now the sidebar is on top, so we can just put it out of the way a little bit. Let's just change the background color of the sidebar. Change the center of the sidebar to -0.5. That means the sidebar is completely out of the screen, the -0.5. So when I change the center on the transform node, it moves the background. So this node moves the background and the sidebar node moves the sidebar. But when we add an expression, we can point this to the exact sidebar. So this is the expression on the screen that you can type in to the sidebar's expression box. I'm just going to copy this and paste it, assuming your transform node is the same name as mine. Just change this little setting inside the box here. Just change that to whatever name this transform node is, and that one as well. So both of these. Now from here, it's super easy. It's straightforward. So on frame 0, we're gonna add a keyframe on transform 1 center, and then we're gonna go to frame 60, and then we're just gonna adjust the X value up a little bit, or wherever we want, how far we want the sidebar to go. That's fine. This is a perfect animation. Open our spline window, select everything, select your keyframes, S on your keyboard, and what I like to do is drag this last part out. And now we've got a smooth sidebar animation that instantly animates your background as well. No more weird keyframe timings or anything like that. Now to take this a step further, we can add a little bit of movement to the background of our sidebar. Add another merge between the background 2 and the sidebar, and then I'm going to search for fast noise. I'm going to connect the fast noise to the merge 1, and you can see instantly it changes the sidebar background. So I'm going to go to color, select 2 color, this blue color, and the second color I want this red color. Color 1, the alpha is on 0, so just increase the alpha to 1. So let's see what we can come up with. We adjust some of these settings here. Now we've got this moving, flowing background. You can even go a little bit further and add like a shadow here. Let's open the select tool and search for drop shadow. Add it in there, and between the sidebar and the background, we want to add this drop shadow in. Just adjust this a little bit, and there we go. We've got an instant sidebar animation with no extra keyframing, no weird jankiness or timing differences. Now I'm going to show you how I do this exact same thing in literally no time. I'm super excited to show you my preset. If you go down to my list, you'll see all the presets that I created in my folder, and this one is called Sidebar. You can drag and drop it. It's a generator. Just drag it on top of your clip, and there we go. It's instant. It plays out. You can change the direction of the sidebar to the right side, the bottom side, the top side, and you can adjust each individual element separately. You can choose between the sidebar position, where you want to position the sidebar, and the background position. So let's say you've got a big sidebar, you've got a lot of info, you can position these two, and they instantly animate seamlessly. You don't have to worry about any keyframes or anything whatsoever. So let me just add an image here. So when you go to preset layouts, this will add the image into the background. This changes the image. You can have image background, no effects. It's pretty self-explanatory. There's a lot of different stuff here, and this saves even more time. If you just want to quickly add a text, there's some background effects layouts that changes some parameters. So this one is called lava. Then we've got clouds here, water, and it all moves. It's all motion. This preset is brand new. It's part of the core preset pack that is also on my store. You can buy this preset separate, or you can buy the whole core suite with all 6 presets, but check it out, it's in my store. If there's a specific motion graphic that you want me to create a preset from, let me know in the comments. And I hope this video helped you to create professional looking sidebars in no time. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.